So here we are. It is currently the middle of December and it's a little chilly here in Tennessee. That's why I got my hat on. Got myself some early Christmas presents courtesy of the wife. And we're gonna take a look at these bad boys. They're the US General Series 3 56 inch and a 22 inch side cabinet. I also have a 15 inch that goes on the other side. It's got like 6 drawers on it. It's a small little box, but that's not in yet. Probably another week or so. So I'm going to cut these bad boys open and we're going to see what's inside. I'm not going to go and waste everybody's time with a tutorial on how to open them because there's 5,000 videos of that already on the internet. So I'll ask my well-paid editor to speed this up. And here it is, 56 inch roller cabinet, keys. Now, taking it apart, obviously, you gotta take this off, and hold on. I get these out, that'd be great. Might be a little cold. I got these last Friday and it's now Tuesday, so they've been sitting outside. Wanted to get this done before any rain comes. And if everything's correct, there it is. Power cord for your handle. Here's the ramp. Let me lock this back up. Where'd I put the keys? That way the doors don't open, even though they shouldn't. They're locked. So far, quick visual. I hear some people have some shipping issues with some dents. Looks perfect. All right, so take off that piece, and then this piece here comes off. And a lot of people miss this because they take it all off before they open the drawers, but they miss the ramp that's in there. And then you just roll it all down. The reason why I'm getting this is because you see my last video with the garage, or one of my last videos. If you're that 3 or 4 people that watched it, thank you. And I need more storage because I got a lot of stuff on my table. The garage was cleaned, organized. In the past month, it has become a shit show again. So I have to get stuff put away. So that's about it for this. I'm gonna roll this in, get that out of the way, and then I'm gonna open the cabinet and I'll bring you back for that. All right, got that in, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now it's time for the cabinet. See if we're 2 for 2. Quick look over. No damage. tape action. Now, the way I'm going to have it, it's going to be on the left side, and they have these little hooks on the box and bolted in. This door is wrong, but it's a piano hinge. I think 5 screws, pop it off, flip the door, screw it in there. So let's get this together, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Well, here it is, the last part of my toolbox. Finally came in today, a week after the other ones came in. So no need to watch me unbox this, and I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna hook it up and I'm gonna show you the finished product. All right, everybody, so here it is. 22 cabinet, 54 box, 15-inch side cabinet. All I could say is my best advice to you is if you're gonna do this, make sure you have someone to help you, because these ends are heavy. Let me show you a quick loop around. I said I've had this already for a week. Started putting my stuff in there. Got the cabinet on the bottom. On the drawer, I should say. Got all of these. I just started not really organizing, just kind of getting my stuff in here, because I didn't want to put too much stuff in here because I had to move it when the end cabinet came. So I'm just kind of throwing stuff in. And now that I have all the pieces, I can start organizing. And that's about it. A whole lot of nothing else going on. Down here, a few things. Pliers. And now this. Same thing. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. You've seen one drawer, you've seen them all. It does come with the hardware on the bottom. I used 1/2 inch socket to put it on. So that's it. Tell me what you think, drop a comment, and Merry Christmas.